Take a look at the mean man who's had a go at, yeah, that one, no, you, who's had a go at my huge stone. Granted, it's not as big as Rudston monolith or anything, but it's a big stone there.
Yeah, Rudston monolith.
Yeah, it's not as big as I expected, to be fair. But there is a church to have a look at and some stepping stones, so let's go and do that. So I'm going to have a look at this church and then the stepping stones, or the stones across the river. This is St Michael and All Angels Church. And the reason I'm pausing here...
Hell's Angels.
All Angels.
I think you find I'm right, Richard.
Okay. Well, what I want to know is, are you going to go in through the gate or are you going to use the public footpath?
I think the guess to that is...
Ah, well, what a big wuss.
I don't know whose legs these are for.
I think they're for children's legs.
You'll be able to fit through with your spindly legs.
Ah.
Come on up, you go. Oh!
Chris does like a church. Certainly an unusual church. Very wide. Just past the church, you've got the river. There's a bit of water in there. Hard to tell from here whether that's low or not. It's got a decent flow on it. So we might have a waterfall to look at. Found a little way out of the back of the church, which I think should take us to the stepping stones. That's an awkward gate if ever there was one.
Are they over there?
Yeah, I think so. Don't know who put that gate there,
What's
but
the point of that bloody gate?
couldn't have made that much more awkward, could they?
Oh my god.
Down here is where the stepping stones are. I've just heard Chris shout, I'm not walking over that. So I think it might not be very doable today. Or if it's doable, it's not worth the risk of falling in and having to ride home quite a long way, dripping wet. Are you going for it? It's amazing to think that this would be stepping stones when the river's high. And they're coming over the top of these stones already. I'm certainly not going to go much further. It's slippery as anything in these boots.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
I think there's some people at the other side who also don't want to risk the stones today. I can't imagine a time, considering how low the river is, when you would actually be willing to walk across that without having a spare set of clothes. Anyway, back to the bikes. I'm going to quick look at the falls and then a spot of lunch.